Hey everybody, it's your girl Emran. And let me tell you, there's nothing I love more than helping you unlock your full potential and create a business and life you freaking love. And today, we're tackling a topic that can be a little nerve-wracking, but is absolutely essential for success: how to master the art of professional introductions. Because let's be real, first impressions matter, right? Whether you're at a job interview, networking event, or meeting new colleagues, nailing that introduction can make all the difference. It's your chance to spark interest, build connections, and show the world what you're all about. So, are you ready to ditch those awkward first encounters and learn how to introduce yourself like the total rock star you are? Let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundation of any amazing introduction: a genuine smile and a confident greeting. Remember, your energy is contagious, and a warm smile instantly makes you more approachable and likable. Think about it. When someone approaches you with a big, genuine grin, doesn't it make you feel more at ease? It's like an instant connection. So, when you're introducing yourself, stand tall, make eye contact, and flash those pearly whites. And don't forget to pair it with a clear and confident greeting, something as simple as, "Hi, I'm your name, it's great to meet you." See? Easy peasy. But trust me, this simple act of warmth and confidence goes a long way in setting the stage for a positive interaction. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Emran, I'm not really a smiley person, and you know what? That's totally okay. You don't have to force a giant grin if it doesn't feel authentic. The key here is to be present, engaged, and convey a sense of openness and approachability. A slight smile, a twinkle in your eye, and a warm tone of voice can work wonders. Remember, it's all about letting your genuine personality shine through. Okay, so you've nailed the greeting, awesome. Now it's time to give people a glimpse of what you're all about. This is your chance to share your unique skills, experience, or the reason you're at that event in the first place. Now, depending on the situation, this part might look a little different. Let's say you're at a job interview. After your initial greeting, you might say something like, "I'm a graphic designer with 5 years of experience in the fashion industry, and I'm super passionate about creating visually stunning campaigns." See how that works? You're not just stating your job title, you're highlighting your experience and what lights you up. Now, if you're at a networking event, you can tailor your introduction to the event itself. For example, "Hi, I'm your name. I'm here today to learn more about the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and how they're shaping the future of marketing." By sharing your purpose for being there, you're giving people a clear conversation starter and showing them that you're engaged and ready to connect. Remember, this part of your introduction is all about showcasing your value and giving people a reason to want to learn more about you. So don't be afraid to toot your own horn a little bit. What are you amazing at? What are you passionate about? Let it shine. Alright, we've covered the greeting, we've highlighted our skills and purpose. Now what? The final piece of the professional introduction puzzle is ending with a question. Why? Because it keeps the conversation flowing and shows the other person that you're genuinely interested in them. Instead of letting things fizzle out after your initial introduction, keep the momentum going by asking a thoughtful question. And don't just phone it in with a generic, "How are you?" Get curious. If you're at a job interview, you might ask, "What are some of the biggest challenges and opportunities facing this role right now?" This shows the interviewer that you're already thinking about how you can contribute and add value. At a networking event, you can keep things a little lighter. Try something like, "What brought you to this event today?" Or "What's been the highlight of your week so far?" The key here is to ask open-ended questions that encourage conversation and help you learn more about the other person. Remember, building relationships is a two-way street, and showing genuine interest goes a long way. Plus, when you ask questions, it takes the pressure off of you to be the sole entertainer in the conversation. It gives you a chance to breathe, listen, and learn from the other person. And who knows, you might just spark an incredible connection or discover a new opportunity you never knew existed. See, mastering the art of the professional introduction doesn't have to be scary. With a little practice and these 3 simple steps, you'll be confidently introducing yourself and making killer first impressions in no time. Remember, be clear, confident, and engaging, and most importantly, be yourself. People can spot a phony a mile away, so let your authentic personality shine through. Practice your introduction so it feels natural and adaptable, and don't be afraid to adjust it based on the situation. You got this. Now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest takeaway from today's video? What's one action step you're going to take to level up your introduction game? Share the love in the comments below. Introducing yourself professionally doesn't have to be intimidating. Remember, be clear, confident, and engaging. Practice your introduction so it feels natural and adaptable. Got it? Awesome. Did you find this helpful? Hit the like button and subscribe for more tips to level up your communication skills. See you in the next video.